Welcome to Nisa Tech channel. Let us see the problem. Two resistors 4 ohms and 6 ohms are connected in parallel. If the total current is 12 amps, find the current through individual resistor. See the problem. So the figure is given in the problem, isn't it? Total current is 12 amps. Two resistors are connected in parallel, R1 and R2. R1 is 4 ohms, R2 is 6 ohms. The current flows through the resistance R1 is I1. The current flows through the resistor R2 is denoted by I2. And the total current is I. It is given 12 amps. So we have to find the current through individual resistors. Let's find out the current through resistance R1. It is given I1, isn't it? Current flows through the resistance R1 is I1. So I1 is equal to total current into opposite resistance R2 divided by sum of these two resistances R1 plus R2. So we are going to find out the current I1. So the formula for finding the current I1 is total current into opposite resistance divided by sum of the resistance. Total current into opposite resistance divided by sum of these resistance. So this is the formula for finding the current I1. We know that I is given, total current I is given, it is 12 amps into opposite resistance I1 opposite resistance is R2. The value of R2 is 6 divided by sum of these two resistances R1 plus R2, 6 plus 4. 12 into 6 divided by 6 plus 4. 4 plus 6. 72 divided by 10, which is equal to 7.2 amps. So the current flows through the resistance R1 is I1. It is 7.2 amps. Then we find out the current flows through another resistance R2. It is I2. The same formula we have to use. What is the formula? We have to use total current into opposite resistance divided by sum of the resistance. Total current is I into opposite resistance is R1 divided by sum of the resistance is R1 plus R2. Total current is 12 into R1 is 4 divided by sum of the resistance is 4 plus 6, which is equal to 4.8 amps. So current flows through resistance R2 is I2. It is 4.8 ohms. What is the total current given in the problem? See the problem. The total current is 12 amps. So we are finding total current I is equal to I1 plus I2, isn't it? What is the value of I1? 7.2 plus I2 is 4.8. It is equal to 12 amps, isn't it? So the total current is given in the problem. It is 12 amps. So we are finding I1 and I2 separately. If we are adding these two I1 and I2 value, we will be getting the total current. It is given 12 amps. We are getting also 12 amps. So the answer is correct. Please subscribe my channel. Just press the subscribe button